Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how much I made off a $50 investment in Fundrise. Now, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, make sure you ask them down below. So now, roll the intro, let's go, come on, bam. Now, for those of you that don't even know what Fundrise is an investment app that virtually allows you to buy into real estate for about $10 is the minimum account. Now, the reason why a lot of beginners and a lot of people are pretty much drawn to it is because you only need $10. You know, if you want to invest in real estate, there's a couple options. One, you actually buy the real estate and you need thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars to do so. The second option would be to buy REITs. So these are pretty much real estate ETFs, and you can find those on the stock market, and you get the growth and decline of the real estate, and as the tenants pay their lease or their rent, you will get a little bit of that money in the form of dividends. And then the third option would be to use a Fundrise app, which virtually, pools a whole bunch of people's money together. They go out and buy different real estate, anything from apartments, condos, different real estate, and as they sell their properties, as the properties go up in value, as the tenants pay their lease or their rent, you're going to be getting a little bit of that money. Now, Fundrise, they do have everything from apartments to commercial. So some of these times they'll buy massive commercial buildings and they will lease it, or they will just sell the property outright and you will get some money off that. So now what I decided to do is I said, hey, maybe let's invest $10 a month and see how much money we can make. And so I've been doing this for about 5 months now. So if we actually pull up my account, you can see the total amount of money that I put in was right at about $50. 5 months, 10 bucks a month, beautiful. And you can see the appreciation of all the real estate, because it went up in value, was about $3.42, which is actually pretty decent, plus about 19 cents in dividends. So this gives a return of right at about 15.8%, which is actually pretty decent for a 5-month outlook. If you compare this to the S&P 500 or the indexes, those over the past 5 years had a return very similar, right at about 10%. So this is actually doing very, very well. So as you can see on the app, you can see the performance, and the cool thing is you can see all the positions that we're in. So you can see the unpaid dividends, you can see the fees, you can see the total shares owned, and you can see just virtually everything, all the different types of projects on here. So you can see there's 42 active projects that just my $50 is in. So you can see it's in some stabilized commercials, some townhomes. You can see, a piece of property. You can see a massive, what looks like a condo in Tarpon Springs, Florida. So as you continue to scroll through, you can see they have a variety of different real estates, from rentals, just single family homes, from massive apartment buildings, and this is only with $50. And honestly, I really think that this is a very, very cool app. It's fun, it's easy. There's that $10 minimum account balance. It used to be $1,000. They dropped it to $500, and now it's $10. So this is definitely beginner friendly. I would recommend checking it out. And I'm just making this video to keep you guys updated on kind of my account size. I want this to grow. I'm not putting hundreds of thousands of dollars. I'm trying to be very, very transparent with you, because not everyone has that type of money to, put away $2,000 a month and then they come out and say they made $30,000, a couple years later. This is just very transparent. $10 a month, and then just see what happens, right? And if it's a bust, okay, that's fine. If it's a massive success, that's awesome. So guys, that's kind of what's going on with my Fundrise account. I wanted to keep you guys updated. If you guys got anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, make sure you ask them down below, and we will see you later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, stay safe, take care.